What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? So when I got this motor, guys, I kind of realized that like this motor, I wanted to kind of change some of this stuff. So like one of the things was the plug wires. As you guys can see, these connect to the ignition coil and it goes to the spark plugs. Like look at these, two of these are blue, the rest of them are black, and they're just like kind of old and I don't know, I didn't really like them. And then I started pulling out the spark plugs, as you guys can see right here, and they're not bad. I cleaned them up, but like the bad thing is it's like 4 or 5 of them are a different kind. So like there's 2 different kinds of spark plugs. This one to the left is another one, the one to the right is another one. Like that's just not cool. So what I did was I got something that the best of the best, the MSD coil pack wires. They're actually red and gray. And then with this, let's open this guy up and see what's in here. Open this up. I went ahead and got some brand new sets of NGK Spark plugs as well. Our ignition coil counter. Check these out, guys. These are beautiful pieces, MSD coils. So look at these and look at that. Like there's just a big difference. And these actually come with this proper like red sleeving, which is heat resistant, so you don't need to like wrap this or anything. They're set to go. It's fucking awesome. Super cool. They also gave us some stickers, MSD. I actually, guys, got this whole kit with the spark plugs for $89, so it was a killer steal. I'll try to find the link and put it down below. But yeah, now that that's out, let's go ahead and try to throw all the new stuff in the motor. So this is our side of our motor. As you guys can see, I've tucked some napkins in the holes, but that's where the spark plugs goes. I already took out the old spark plug from this block, but yeah, this is it. And we're gonna go ahead and start beginning to throw them in. So let's enjoy. So before I begin to, I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove these headers just because we got something coming for them, so we won't really be needing them on there anymore. This guy just uses 10 millimeters. Alright guys, now that we have the headers off, I looked inside the cylinder heads and everything looks prime, brand new. I actually am more starting to believe the fact that yes, this is a pretty brand new block, it seems like, because everything is like very clean. And I don't know, for a used motor, this is very clean. So I'm very excited. As you guys can see, these are the spark plug holes. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and take our spark plugs, which we have right here, and we're gonna put some NTCs on the end and screw them all in. Alright, so now that the spark plugs are in, is our coil pack wires. You guys can see the MSD coil packs. So they pop right in here and go right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our number on it. Alright guys, check that out. We got our MSD coils with our brand new spark plugs installed. These are looking amazing. They came out so nice. I'm really stoked on how they look with the ICT billet adapters. Power steering pump. Woo! Looking hot. Looks so cool. Well, anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this small video. These are small little stuff that I think looks really awesome on the engine, and it's going to definitely complement our engine bay in the future when it goes in the car. But thank you again for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. That really helps out, guys. And if you are a old subscriber, that's what's up. Thank you guys. But see you guys next week. We got something cool coming. Hint why there's nothing here, but see you guys next week.